Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on Sofi. So let's get straight into it. The first method is to enable two-factor authentication through the Sofi's mobile app. So what you want to do here is to open the Sofi mobile app and log into your account, and then tap on the More menu, and then select Settings, and then tap on Security, and then you're going to select two-factor authentication. And now you can choose your two-factor authentication method, and that could be with an authenticator app, or you could also use SMS authentication. Now just follow the prompts to set up your chosen two-factor authentication method. The second method is to do so through the Sofi's official website. So what you want to do here is to first log into your Sofi account on the website, and then you click on your profile picture or username, and then click Settings, and then click on Security, and then you're gonna select two-factor authentication. And then now you're gonna choose the method that you want to use. It could be the authenticator app. You can have a Google Authenticator or Audi, and you could also use SMS authentication. So just follow the prompts to set up your two-factor authentication method. And for when it comes to authenticator app settings, what you want to do is to first download and install an authenticator app. That could be Google Authenticator, or as I said before, you can also use Audi. And then what you want to do is to open the authenticator app and scan the QR code that's displayed on Sofi's website or mobile app, and then just enter the 6-digit code generated by the authenticator app to complete the setup. And of course, if you're using the SMS authenticator setup, what you got to do is to enter your phone number to receive SMS authentication codes, and then just enter the 6-digit authentication code sent to your phone via SMS to complete the setup. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. If you found it useful, if you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel, because that helps us out so very much. And please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.